Okay, this week's juice will be kale juice. So far I got apples, water, kale, honey, lemon juice, and then I'm going to add this frozen mixed medley. It's strawberry, peach, and pineapple, and blend it up. I just finished sauteing like the onions and peppers. Now I'm adding my tomatoes because of course I'm making pasta sauce today. Like all those tomatoes I got, what was that, yesterday? Yeah. I pinky promise I will post the recipe sometime this week. I made this a while ago and I saved those videos, so I'll just use that. No, I just lost a tomato. Ooh, this made a lot, so I'm thinking maybe like 10 jars. I keep forgetting these are 12-ounce jars and not my regular 8-ounce jars. So it made 5, so that's perfect. And I still have watermelon juice from last week, so I think it's only 4 jars of that left. So I'll have 4 jars of that and 1 jar of kale juice this week. I wish y'all could smell these tomatoes cooking down though. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I was low on honey, so I just added some water to it and put it in the microwave to make sure I got all of it out. I wasn't paying attention to the microwave. And look at the bottom. Like, bro, what happened? It was only in there for 30 seconds. I don't think y'all understand how good this smells. I just want to say shout out to that produce market, because it forced me to figure out recipes with tomatoes. Because before this, I would buy me my like 25 ounce of organic pasta sauce, which isn't bad. It's not expensive. It's maybe like $3. But now I can make my own. Whew, the savings. I ended up adding some spinach to the pasta that was cooking down. Just like that, we have steamy pasta sauce for the week. I like mine real thick. And these are 32-ounce jars, so I should definitely be good with enough pasta sauce this week. And I still have tons of tomatoes left. My idea is every day I'll do a batch of sauce. Of course, I don't need that much sauce, so the rest will be frozen. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna show y'all. Look how much, a whole jar, drawer full of tomatoes. So each day, because I'm not trying to stand over the stove all night, I'm going to make probably about 4 jars of sauce each day, so these don't go bad. And I'm gonna do pasta sauce, pizza sauce, and I'm gonna look up a ketchup recipe, and I'm gonna do ketchup this week. I'll keep y'all updated on that. This really didn't take long. I'm really done meal prepping for the week, so I'm going to make a banana bread. So why not? I might get the munchies this week. I need a snack. Okay, so we have our apple cider vinegar tea for each day. So apple cider vinegar, water, cayenne pepper, ginger, and honey. And then I dished out my magnesium powder this week. I keep it on my countertop so I don't forget to take it, and I still don't take it. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like a fancy soda. I got like the original unflavored one, but I always make an excuse why I don't have time to make it, because I'm always rushing each day. So I figure, you know what, put the amount that I need, and then each day just add water, and it'll help me to take it. Breakfast will be oatmeal, and some is granola. So this one, it's like granola, raisins, cranberries, almonds, and then the other 2 for the week will be blueberries, chia seeds, oatmeal, and sugar. Then lunch will be sandwiches. I got yelled at because I don't tell y'all what my sandwiches are. I just figure you don't really care, but now I'll start telling you the details of the sandwich. So, spinach, cheese, my homemade pickles, some mustard, tomatoes with salt and pepper, and I put grapeseed oil on each slice. My avocados are still hard, so they're not ready to be eaten yet. If they speed up during the week, then I'll use that as like my mayo, but for right now I just have grapeseed oil as my mayo. Then watermelon juice, 4 of those, and then one day it'll be a kale juice. And then dinner, I made like these little meatless meatballs out of lentil beans. Don't know if they'll be good, but I'm excited to try it. If they don't taste good, then it'll just be pasta sauce. And actually, I'm taking all that back. These lentil meatballs gonna be popping, and I'm gonna use whatever pasta I want each day. It only takes like 10 minutes to heat up pasta, so I don't. Yo, and that's my favorite. Take me to the king. So we will not be having penne pasta this week because there's probably glass shards in them. So we will be sticking to spaghetti and, of course, my homemade sauce. I'm going to go cry in the corner while I make my banana bread because, really, bro? I'm emailing the manufacturer today. Mason, Mason, how dare you? I knew I was forgetting something, and then I'll have grapes each day for my snack after lunch because tons of grapes on deck right now. I was gonna show y'all me making my banana bread, but I'm low-key sad, RIP to my pasta jar. So I will, once again, go cry in the corner, and I'll see y'all later. Ciao.